Selling jewelry on Amazon is similar to engaging in online combat. To meet your goal of making money from Amazon by selling your specific jewelry item, you must understand how to compete in the jewelry category on Amazon and which rules to follow, how to pull the reins of your product bounce rate and exit rate. If your bounce rate is 60% or higher, that may be an indication that you need to give some extra effort for your jewelry listing. While some bounces are unavoidable, well designed tactical images will decrease jewelry product bounce rate and will increase CTR. There are some discrete yet pivotal rules for images that you must cultivate for your jewelry category items to elevate yourself to bestseller status. Most importantly, if you are enjoying the Amazon honeymoon period, I mean the time period right after your product launch, when your inventory reaches Amazon's warehouse, your product is live and ready for sale, you must have to set different secret strategies for your specific jewelry product. It can be fashion jewelry or fine jewelry as Amazon differentiates, and obviously the strategies will vary depending on the product type and its category. You must develop the best possible set of product feature images for your newly launched particular jewelry product. I am Istia Koyon and I will try to demonstrate you some proven secret recipes for your jewelry listing image in your Amazon honeymoon period. You can also try these recipes for your jewelry items that already crossed the grace period. Let's jump into the most effective strategies for jewelry products. Main image strategy, RRR theory. For creating your jewelry's main image, always follow the RRR theory. What does the RRR indicate? It indicates R for retouching, R for realistic and reliable, R for ratio and angle. Let's check out an example to make this more clearer. I'm searching in the Amazon search bar. I'm writing a very specific keyword to differentiate between real competitors. 14K gold pearl star earrings. I'm getting so many products under this long tail keyword. So if you were a buyer, which of the product you might click? Let's not guess. Let's go with Amazon's data. Most of the customers clicked here on this product and did not bounce back. See, 800 plus bought in the past month. Amazing, right? What is the factor that influenced those customers? Obviously, the main image. And what is the speciality of this specific main image? The RRR factors. First are retouching. Checks the retouching details of this photo. First, look at the shadow accuracy, where you can easily differentiate it from the products showcased to its left. Okay, this product has no shadow at all, and this product has shadows but in poor condition, like poorly photoshopped. Compare the shadow accuracy. Retouching is not only about shadows, it's also about clipping path, color correction, adjusting brightness and contrasts, metal gradient effects, and so on. And this retouching can be a major factor for you to beat your competitors. Second are realistic and reliable. Now, check this product. They did 3D works and invested huge money into this product. You can easily guess it. PPC is running, sponsored item, but no sell. Why so? Because the image is not realistic. Pretty much anyone would say it looks kinda unrealistic, right? So, here's the deal. You might want to spend money for CGI or 3D for your main image, but it needs to be kept real. If we look at this product, the main image has a perfect combination of both shadow and reflection. At the same time, the product is detailed, so we can refer to this as a good, realistic main image. Now, let's talk about the third R, ratio and angle. This main image We can count it as a bad example based on the ratio and angle, right? We all know to meet Amazon's main image requirements for jewelry products, we should maintain a minimum size of 1001 pixels and a maximum size of 2100 pixels and a zoom activation feature set at 1000 pixels. Maintaining this ratio, this example image could not use the negative space perfectly. As you can see, most of the space here is blank or white, where the product could not meet the perfect zoom ratio and angle because the bare space was not utilized properly at all. Now, compare this image with its competitor. You can easily understand the difference between the images while focusing on the product ratio and angle. So, follow this triple theory for your jewelry product's main image and get a good result immediately. Additionally, I will also suggest you to check the improvement via Amazon's main image A/B testing tool and thank me later. So in the next part of my video, I am spilling the secret sauce for the subsidiary images as well, especially for the jewelry shop owners out there. Make sure you stick around on the Ecomclips YouTube channel for that. Until then, get ready for an epic product launch. Catch you later.